Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about unit rates. So, a unit rate is essentially a ratio that compares a quantity to one unit of another quantity. It expresses how much of one item corresponds to one unit of another item, and they can make calculations easier. For example, it can make it a lot easier to compare which price per unit is better at a grocery store, for example. If you're purchasing an item that doesn't spoil easily or that you use very often, this can be a great calculation to get you the best deal possible. This could also just be useful in terms of if we're multiplying by a certain number of units, if we have the unit rate, we can easily figure that out a lot more simply. So let's dive into some examples. If a car travels 150 miles in 3 hours, what is the unit rate? So essentially, what they're asking is if the car drives 150 miles in 3 hours, how many miles does it travel in 1 hour per every 1 hour? So to do this, I need to divide both by the value in the denominator. Because if I divide the value in the denominator by itself, I get 1. 3 hours divided by 3 is 1 hour. And then 150 divided by 3 is 50. So therefore, the unit rate is on average 50 miles per hour in terms of these 3 hours that the car traveled. Let's do one more example. If a car gets 300 miles on 10 gallons of gas, what is the unit rate? Or in other words, how much mileage does the car get per 1 gallon of gas per gallon? How many miles per gallon of gas? So same thing here. We have 300 miles over 10 gallons, and we need to divide both by 10. 300 divided by 10 is 30. And then 10 divided by 10 is just 1 gallon. So therefore, the car gets 30 miles per gallon. So for every gallon of gas that we put into this car, it will be able to drive about 30 miles, give or take. All right. Well, good work today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.